how to set up recurrent payments on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to set up a recurrent payment for either a specific product or a subscription into your Squarespace website. The process is going to be very easy. You're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to visit the account dashboard. Once you have visited the account dashboard, you're going to select the website. Now we are going to click on go to website for that specific selected website, of course, and we are going to wait for the website editor to load up. Now, as you can see, we're going to see everything. So we are going to be interested in the content or the products. So basically, we are going to set up the contents or the contents and memberships could be added. So for example, you can go ahead and create a pricing plan, and this is going to be a let's say here a membership, or you can go ahead and set up a member site and then you're going to add a paywall to set up a membership. That is the first option. Or you can go ahead and head over the products and services and you can create a specific product that is going to be with a let's say here a recurring payment. So we are going to have here maybe a physical product or a physical or service right there, and then you're going to change only the type of the payment. Maybe you're going to find it, maybe not. So you're going to skip here the price, set up the details, or you can go ahead and add more details. And here you can go ahead and add the subscriptions. As you can see, after you have set up the images, also the information about that product, either it is going to be a digital product, a course, a physical product, whatever, you're going to have here the option of the subscriptions. So you are going to charge the customers on a recurring basis and offer discounts on repeat purchases. So you're going to click on here. We have the one-time purchase and subscriptions, and also we have the subscription only. So you are going to set up subscription only, and then you are going to set up the frequency of that subscription. So we are going to repeat it, for example, a number or amount or an amount of times per, for example, week or month. And the also you can control the billing cycle. So you can go ahead and set up never expires or expires after a specific date. For example here, and then you're going to add it. After that, you're going to apply it into the specific, as you can see, product. And then you're going to publish it. I'm not going to publish that, but instead I'm going to show you on the memberships. So for the memberships, you're going to have a pricing plan. And that is going to be in a case or a subscription. So you can go ahead and put the pricing, and you're going to set up, for example, the number of payments. You can have here, for example, one payment or two payments in, for example, a duration of time, for example, or five payments in a duration of times. Or you can go ahead and set up the subscription like this and the repetition of each month, week, or year. So you can do that for this specific, as you can see, subscription. Or you can go ahead and ignore the payment plan or the pricing plan and create a member site. So you can go ahead and create a member site also. Then you're going to put here the member site and put a paywall. And that paywall is going to have a subscription plan or a pricing plan also. And that is going to have enhanced the recurring payment or the subscription payment. So with that, it is going to be very easy to have here the subscriptions, just like Shopify, WooCommerce, or whatever e-commerce platform that you're going to use. Here, Squarespace is no different from them. It is going to be very practical. Do not forget to set up here the finances, or you are going to head over the settings, and after that, you're going to put on the settings. Here are the payments. You're going to add a payment method or the payment getaway. Let's say that it is going to be a payment getaway. From that, here we have everything set up in order. Everything is done within this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.